here's an unboxing of what I got for my loaders. Okay. Now these lowers are supposed to be 80% finished, so they're not considered a weapon until they are finished. And these are supposed to come with jigs and step-by-step instructions on what needs to be machined and how to machine it to get it to 100%. James Madison Tactical. Here's the instructions. Well, warning, must read before you start. Thank you for ordering our James Madison Tactical 80% AR15 Gen 2 or 308 equalizer for DPMS Gen 1. Compliant upper receivers. JMT manufactures the best composite and polymer lower receiver on the market today. We know you will agree that the quality is number one. Please go to our website, jamesmadisontactical.com, and download either of the 80% lower receiver machining manuals from the manual navigation button to complete your JMT 80 lower receiver. AR15 Gen 2 or 308 equalizer enhancements. 1. Extended box sections on upper fire control pocket. 2. Box section on upper top left of magazine well. 3. Extend bolt release pin posts. 4. Magazine webbed pattern. 5. New JMT logo placement. Warning, must read before you start. Have all tools required before you start. Make sure your machining table and vise is level in the X and Y. Failure to do so will result in off-center or misalignment with the fire safety. Trigger and hammer pinholes. Okay. So, there's that. Here's the sticker, and it goes further to say, all holes must be drilled from the right side of the jig using the new Gen 2 or 308 equalizer or any older type jig sets from now on. The right side is the side with the JMT logo and hole dimensions. Do not dry fire. Dry firing the lower receiver unit without having the bolt release lever installed will result in cracking of the upper top of the fire control pocket wall. 5. Mill and bit speed should be between 6 and 800 RPM. 6. When installing the bolt release pin, make sure it is the standard small 0.098 diameter roll pin only. When installing buffer tube, not only torque to 20 foot-pounds. Contact information is James Madison Tactical LLC, 1865 Bronco Lane, Richland, Washington. Phone number is 509-392-7500, info at jamesmadisontactical.com. Awesome. So this is it. My 80% machined loader. Okay, cool. Let's take a look at it. Get out of the plastic. I got 2 of them, by the way, in case I screw one up. Okay. There's the jig. Diameter's 0.156, 0.376 in the jig. So that's all that's got to be done. I'll have to get the instructions to complete it. So, back with the trusty old knife. Okay. I wonder if that holds it in. I'm sorry. Here it is. I just popped the top off of this thing. It's right here. Like so. I just popped it up. So does this thing come up or does it come apart? Looks like it comes apart. So Okay, awesome. So, there's the safe fire, made in the USA. And it shows that it was made 5/20. 5/20. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it was made May of this year. That's why I got it so quick. I ordered this thing the day before yesterday, and it's already here. That shipped in 2 days. That's crazy. I wasn't expecting it this quick. There's a really tight fit in here too. So here's the lower, not unfinished, the unfinished lower. So awesome. I'm going to put this thing back together and then go download the instructions on what I need to do to machine this thing the rest of the way. And then the fixture. This is sweet. Awesomeness. Put this top back on. I don't like how that pulls apart like that. I might have to do something myself to make sure. Okay, this is freaking cool. Alright, well, here it is in the jig. Awesome. Awesome, awesome. Okay, guys. Well, I'm out on that one.